morning.
Good morning and welcome to Chigwell School Live.
A news channel like no other.
Yes, today we'll be reporting on something that has an incredible impact on our weather and on the temperature of our planet.
Despite its size, it remains one of the greatest mysteries to our species.
More than 80% of it has not been mapped or explored or even seen by humans. If you think we are talking about the moon, you are wrong.
In fact, we have mapped a greater proportion of the moon and the planet Mars than we have this place.
And this place is on... Wait for it, our planet Earth.
It sure is, Adam. So let's go live to our Planet Earth correspondent to find out more.
Because of its size, it has an incredible impact on the lives of every organism on Earth and their food supply. It covers 71% of our planet's surface.
Can you guess what it is, yes?
Cue the song! Which ocean I would like stranded on?
The Indian Ocean?
You guessed it! Here are some amazing facts about our ocean.
Did you know that coral reefs are underwater cities built by living organisms? Did you know that sharks have been around and thriving in our oceans for more than 400 million years? Did you know that 70% of the world's oxygen comes from the ocean? The most amazing fact we learned was that the peak of the world's tallest mountain, Mount Everest, in the Himalaya, measuring 8.84 kilometers high,
which is 8,840 meters for our Year 4 friends who are currently learning conversion.
It would not even break the surface of the water if it was placed in the Pacific Ocean, Mariana Trench or Philippine Trench, two of the deepest parts of the ocean.
We have some breaking news.
Single-use plastics are destroying our oceans.
Plastic is all around us. Most of us use it every day. It's a useful material that transformed our lives. But unfortunately, our used plastic is getting into the ocean. It can end up causing all sorts of problems for sea life and marine mammals.
But how do our plastic waste end up littering the ocean?
Let's go straight to our oceans to find out why.
Plastic litter dropped on the street doesn't stay there. Rain and wind can carry plastic waste into streams and rivers or drains. From there it travels to the
of us can do something to stop plastics pollution.
Here are a few ideas that may help reduce pollution in our oceans.
Straight from the mouths of the oceans. See what I did there?
Yes, Adam, we see what you did there.
Avoid plastic where possible. Use a reusable bottle for your drinks. Say no to plastic bags and drinking straws. Don't buy balloons for parties or release balloons into the sky, because guess where they end up? The ocean! Talk to friends and family about how much plastic they use and how they can dispose of it safely.
We really hope you take these tips on board.
And don't waste water either. It's precious.
We hope you enjoyed our assembly about the world's oceans.
It's good morning from me and it's good morning from